Our Treasure Hunt, and welcome back to our channel. So today I have I'm gonna show y'all what I bought from Mary Maxim. We've done Hirschner's, so we really like their yarn, so now we did Mary Maxim. So, and I used to say Maximum all the time when I got you know, in my mind, I've always been that way. I see a word and I say what my mind says it is. And that's, you know, oh, that's just the way my mind works. So, we have, I'm trying to show y'all Mary Maxim. I am not sponsored by them, but I do have an affiliate link, and I will put that down below. So, I chose some, my daughter-in-law chose some, and Anastasia chose some. So let's see what we got here. Alrighty. All in one there. Did y'all see my address? You know, it really doesn't bother me. The worst thing I ever feared about someone finding my address, they found it anyway. So, you have a driver's license. You have a car. You pay taxes. I already know. So and I'm telling you, the people on social media and everything, those people, you block and keep on going. It's surrounding you that you need to watch. And that's for another time, another video. So, Mary Maxim. I got, I'm in trouble. $5 off any order of $10 or more. I really like this. Is what they, you know, they have so many cool things, just like Hirschner and everybody else, and it's like, oh. And then they have other quote about different magazines and everything that you can. American's favorite quilting magazine. Quotes. And I have a few of those magazines. What's the name I should, but it's like 4 or 5 over there. I don't have a whole lot. And then that's, you know, your order that you got. So, here, let's see what we got in this bag. Alright, so we'll start with my daughter-in-law first, because she loves orange. Is her favorite color, especially the fall color of oranges, the burnt oranges and everything. Oh, and this came out, oh, how pretty. And I thought, oh, look at that. And it sparkles. It's so soft. She is going to love this. So I got her that. This is the Bonbon. Right, so this is the Mary Maxim Starlight Sparkle. That's what that is. It is, it's made in Turkey. Approximately 196 yards, 180 meters. 98% acrylic, 2% polyester, 100 grams, 2.5 ounces. And this girl, she gets, oh my goodness, I can't help but giggle. When I started crocheting, she tried and she couldn't. So that was, Anastasia is 10, she'll be 11. So we'll say 10 years ago, because that's when I started. So I had the knitting set and the crochet set. Knitting, I can get it on there, but to do the rest of it, it takes, you know, my mind is like, you're not getting this. So she asked me if she could have the knitting, and I'm like, yeah. So she taught herself how to knit. And the last alright, so since April, May, June, July, so the last 3 months, she's done taught herself how to crochet. So now she can do both. And I feel like, hey, wait a minute, you're leaving me behind here. That's okay. I'm glad she can do both. That really boosts her confidence. So I don't know if she's going to knit with this or crochet with this. So that's Starlet. This is the Bonbon. Yeah, Bonbon. So this one is 100% acrylic. 100 grams, 300 meters. Yeah, it has, it don't tell me how many yards. 100 RP to 300 MT HOM 3. Yeah, y'all know how to read all that. So, and this one was made Bomb Armo. Yeah, the words I don't know how to say. Country. Well, this is nice and soft too. I was not coughing today. Then they're sitting here digging up and doing stuff outside. Of course, I had to peek out the door to see what was going on. Alright, so our next one is blue. My son's favorite color is blue. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And this is the Mary Maxim Maximum Value. It's at 450 yards, 8 ounces. Oh my goodness. I love that. That's going to be a cool. Is this like a colorway? Where this is just, I don't know if it's an ombre. So let's see here. This is made in Serbia. Alright, now I've heard of Siberia, but I've never heard of Serbia. That's pretty cool. I have to look that up. Approximately 474 yards, 100% acrylic, 227 grams, and 8 ounces. There we go. Alright, so this is the one Anastasia got. She picked out. Of course, her favorite color is pink. And this is really nice and soft. This is like Mary Maxim Lullaby. 100% premium micro acrylic. So, this is really soft too. 236 yards, 216 meters, 100% premium micro acrylic. 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. So that's going to be cute too. Whoever she decides to do with it, or get her mom to make her and everything. So, and then of course, you know me, I have to get Christmas. Mary Maxim Festive Sparkle Feet. So, this is the one. I'm going to show you everybody up close. I got, because I wanted to see. And first when you look at it, it looks like, you know, it's like, and it's in sections. Like, this would be one. It's just like it's like a thick, but it's not. They're all just loose. Individual strands. Not strands, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So I can't wait to work with this. This is soft too. Alright. So, and then the last one I got. I've been wanting it so much since it came out. And it's at Michael's. And I can't get to Michael's. And yeah, I could do the order pickup and the kids would go get it for me and everything else, you know, but sometimes I just want to do stuff. And I was like, it was on, and all the stuff was on sale, and I got free shipping. So, and I was like, oh, and I seen it on Creative's grandma. She has this, and I was like, oh, Lord, I want this one so bad. Because she's done a blanket, and I'll put her link down so y'all can go check her out. She's got tons of stuff. So this is the Caron Cake Cinnamon Swirl Cakes. They don't have all of them to choose from on Mary Maxim, but YARNSPIRATIONS does, and Michael's does too. But I wanted this one so much. Look at all those colors. And just all our colors mixed together. That's why I got it. It's the family colors. That's what it is. The family colors. I don't know what I'm going to make with this just yet. But I was just like, I wanted to see it. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Oh, I like this. And they've got a whole bunch of others. And I really need to buy some Caron cakes to finish up the blankets that I have done and everything. So, but you see new yarns. It's like you've got to have some yarn. So, I got the Caron cake, this one, Cinnamon Swirl Cakes. Alright, so this one is 8 ounces, 227 grams, 100% acrylic, 407 yards, with 372 meters. And this one is called, 372 meters. And this one is called, 372 meters. And this one is 8 ounces, 227 grams, 100% acrylic, 407 yards with 372 meters. And this one is called, 372 meters. And this one is 8 ounces, 227 grams, 100% acrylic, 407 yards with 372 meters. And this one is called Let's see what this one's called. I'm gonna have to take my glasses off. I said, oh, but it does, like I said, it shows 3 balls. We make this right here. Alright. Cinnamon swirl cakes. What's this one called? Tropical Breeze. 291033. Yep, this is Tropical Breeze. So I can see that. I can see that. So we got the Karen cakes. The Mary Maxim maximum value. This is the blue. We have the Mary Maxim Lullaby, the pink that Anastsia likes. So I can keep that focused. And then we have the Mary Maxim Festive Sparkle Feet. I think this would make a great sock. And I think that's why I got it. Let's see here. Grams. Let's see here. Machine wash. And it gives what you're supposed to do as far as like, it's the #1 super fine. So yeah, it's to make socks. I'm gonna make some socks. Attempt to make socks. I have a sock loom to make socks that I put down because the Red Heart yarn I was trying to do, I was slipping off, so I just get some sock yarn and make some socks. Then we have the Mary Maxim Starlight Sparkle in the orange, and also the Bon in the blue. And that's a nice deep blue. So let's see here. Yeah, it was, the sparkle yarn was $3.99. The Lullaby was $4.99. It's the Mary Maxim Festive Feet Sock. Yeah, feet sock. I'm saying it. That was $5.99. The Mary Maxim maximum value, this one was $6.99. The Bon Ice yarn, this was $1.99. It was on sale. Most of these were on sale. And then the Karen cakes, this one was $6.99. So total was $30.94. And I wait till there was free shipping, and they offered to send me an email saying get free shipping. So I was like, yay! So there we go. I don't think that's not too bad at all. So fun projects coming along with this one and this one, because the other 3 get rid of them. So we're just super excited, to get new yarns and try new things. And I'm working on trying to make hats and everything. We have a fire station up the road and everything, so the winter's coming, and I hear them out all the time between that fire station, which is like 4 blocks, 3.5 to 4 blocks, and then we have one that's down that way. That's a couple, I said maybe 2 to 3 miles that way, and then one that way that's the same way, about 2 to 3 miles. So it's all the time. So there we go. That's our yarn haul. Thank you for watching. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. God bless, stay safe, and we love y'all.